Here, and today I'm going to show you how to access a certain type of assignment called EdPuzzle. Now, to get to your assignments, remember, from your stream, you'll click on classwork, and there you'll see your list of assignments for the week. Okay? This assignment right here says EdPuzzle, and EdPuzzle is a website that teachers can use to put questions into YouTube videos. But I'm going to show you how it looks from the student side of things so you know what to expect if your teacher uses it. From this assignment, and to access the EdPuzzle, you can click on the EdPuzzle link. Now you can see that it immediately takes you to a video here. Okay. You can also see a few other things. On the side, on the right side, you'll have the to-do list, which gives you a time. And here it says open-ended. That means that 47 seconds into the video, there is an open-ended question. Next, a minute and 35 seconds into the video, there is a multiple choice question. That tells you a little bit of what to expect while you're watching the video. You can also see down here some controls: play, rewind. This is the progress bar with your 2 questions. You can do the sound, and you can make it full screen. Okay. To get started, all you do is click play.
A plant is a living thing. It has many parts.
So that's just an example of a video. You can see that it is playing through, and the progress bar is progressing towards the first question. Now you can see if I try and skip forward, I'm not able to, right? That's a trick that teachers use so that you have to watch the video all the way through in order to answer the question. Okay? So unfortunately for you, you will not be able to skip the videos. And one other control I want to point out is the closed captioning. If you would like to, once you're muted on the sounds, you can put your closed captions on there. Okay, so as we were watching, remember we said that there was a open-ended question at 47 seconds. So once it reaches that time, the video stops and you can't go forward until you answer this question, right? So this is the open-ended question, which means that you have to type in your answer. If you missed something in the video, you can click rewatch down here, or if you know the answer, you can type in the answer and then click submit. Once you click submit, it will give you an option to continue and the video will keep playing. Okay, the multiple choice question is exactly the same, but it will have options for you to choose from instead of providing you space to type your answer. Once you are finished watching the video and answering the questions, don't forget to go back to the assignment and mark as done. Okay. With EdPuzzle, your teacher is able to see the answers to your questions through the EdPuzzle website, but it's really useful to keep track of missing work that you click mark as done. Okay, then your teacher knows and you know that the assignment has turned in, and you can see that in the Google Classroom gradebook.